Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and you're watching this because you want to know how to get free Xbox gift card codes and free Xbox codes in 2024. This method I'm going to be showing you today is super simple, uses just your mobile phone, and it's going to take you around 5 to 10 minutes, and you're going to be able to get a $100 Xbox code for free that you can simply redeem, yeah, it's going to credit your gamertag or Xbox account a $100 balance, which is more than enough to purchase a couple of the latest games or whatever you want, be it Game Pass or yeah, Xbox Live, whatever. So let me record my screen and show you guys how you can get your free Xbox gift card codes in 2024. Okay, so you should now see my screen here. Essentially, you need to open up a browser on your mobile phone and go to this website, guys, www.speedycoupons.com. So you're looking for this website here, Speedy Coupons. Pretty cool site, guys, and just navigate your way to this website, and yeah, you can even have a browse through. There's tons of different pages. You can either scroll down and look for the Xbox gift card codes page, or you can just simply type in the search bar Xbox gift, and it should pop up Xbox gift card codes and coupons. So just navigate your way to this page on Speedy Coupons, and yeah, you can see, guys, there's over 1,000 coupons left, tons of them left, and yeah, this is a the top one you can see is a $100 free Xbox gift card code. So this is the one that we want. As you can see, there are different codes below it as well. So I'm going to click on this top one and click on show coupon, and you can see this is a $100 gift card, and you can see we need to unlock the code, guys. The reason we need to do this is, as you can imagine, these are pretty valuable. People will actually create programs and robots to steal all of the available codes from Speedy Coupons. So we need to unlock our code. Tap unlock code, and there is a step that we need to complete just to unlock our code. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes. So you can see it says Xbox code unlocker, and we essentially need to follow the instructions on this page to get our free Xbox code. It says complete 2 of the offers below to unlock your code, and you can see they're all completely free, and there is a bunch of different ones that you can choose between. Essentially, guys, you need to select any 2 of these and following the instructions that it states below the 2 you choose. So for example, this Coin Master, it says download Coin Master, raid, attack and play and complete Village 3. So this one is a free game where you would essentially have to download it. It's going to take you to the App Store, where you would obviously download the game and then play it until Village level 3, or until you completed level 3. Alternatively, there's ones like these ones where it says enter your email and complete the steps. So you would simply click on them and answer whatever questions. These are like free questionnaires and surveys, and you can see you need to input your working and correct email address. So let me go ahead and I'll finish that survey and also play that Coin Master game, and then I'll return and we can see if it gives me my free Xbox code. So I'll see you in probably around 10 minutes. Okay, guys, just went ahead, completed 2 of those tasks. It did take me around 10 to 15 minutes. I played that game, the free game, so I downloaded it and I had to complete level 3. It took me a short while, but it was a fun game, so I didn't mind doing it. So now I've completed 2 on this page, I can hit my tabs, and if you've completed everything and made sure you followed all of the steps, when you click on your tabs you should see this Xbox Coupons tab that contains your free Xbox gift card code, and this code is going to credit you $100. I'm going to be using this one in a few minutes, so by the time I upload this video it's going to be invalid, guys. You need to go and get your own code from Speedy Coupons. Just make sure you follow all of the steps. It's pretty easy, but if you have any questions, you can of course leave them in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, all that good stuff, and every engagement on the video, good or bad, will help grow the channel. So yeah, smash that like button if you got your free Xbox code. Let's see if we can get over 100 likes on the video. That would be totally awesome. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.